Welcome back to Dog's Life. Let's try and continue. It's been a while. Okay, so I don't actually remember where you're meant to go to get to the next part. I think it's got something to do with the ski lift thing. How many bones does he have? 25. So I need 4 more bones. And what do we have here?
Bones.
I just started something. I didn't mean to. Well, that was just a purple smell.
God.
Yes. It's another bone. Just saw the inside of Jake's head for a second there. I'm going to play the P marking game by collecting all the yellow smells. I'm still masterclass in the urinating field. We're just going in circles. No, he's stealing it as I'm doing it. Yes. Oh my god, that took so long. With this dog, you have to go onto the icy roof, and I don't remember what you can get up there, but I'm pretty sure it's this way. I remember I tried this before, and I slipped off. Oh no! I slipped off again. I'm just going to go back to Jake and reset the timer. Hello, Jake.
Wow, I feel the
easy as that.
Wild. Let's find that.
You can walk over those windows anyway. I was trying to avoid them because I thought they were dangerous. Oh, it's the helicopter.
Thanks for getting my helicopter back.
His voice.
Not bad for a morning's work.
Jake needs a wash while I'm in here.
I'm a dirty dog. Hey now, that's what I call classy.
Now he'll get all the ladies. I'm going to go up here in this ski lift thing. Because I remember up here, there's some kind of mini game thing where you have to avoid these boulders or something. Oh look, there's a little pathway up the side of the mountain. Oh look, I'm being blinded. Oh, what do we have here? Maybe you need that bird feed thing that I found last time I played this. Because I remember I brought it through the cable car and it actually came up here. So I'm going to try that. Let's see if this works. Got the bird feeder. Oh, it worked. I don't actually know what getting the birds off of the satellite thing done. Maybe if I go the other way, something will happen? Oh, I see something that I didn't see before. A big log up here that I can climb across. Oh wait, you grab it.
It won't move.
Oh, this is what I need the other dog for. So, I need 30 bones, and then I can grab that log and go up there. What happens if I do a poo?
It's what being a dog is all about.
And then... Will the poo come up with me? I heard it make a little squish noise. The poo didn't come with me. I assumed it hadn't. I didn't hear a squelching noise when the cable car was coming up. I think I have to complete his game before I can control him. That probably involves the red smells. Oh, the last red smell was in that building. Pursuit. Try to catch the other dog before the time runs out.
3, 2.
Well, I have more bones than him, so that'll be easy. Hey! That was very easy.
Wow.
It started me all the way up the top of this cliff, though. I'm not going to have enough time to go down and get to the branch. If I do run out of time, I'm going to be teleported to Jake again, who's at the top of that cliff, and it's going to be really annoying. Is it going to be enough time? I don't know how much I need to pull this. Yeah, that's alright. Why did it do that noise as if I failed? Let's go and see if that actually worked, because it kind of made a fail noise as if it sort of just reset it. I think it's worked. Yeah, it has. Oh yeah, here we are.
Uh-oh. If I'm not super alert, I'm gonna get squished.
If I'm not super alert, I'm gonna get squished. Oh, I'm gonna get squished.
Whoa. How'd I end up here?
Sorry, Jake. I wasn't super alert enough. Oh, I see what you meant to do. You have to actually go up here. What's this? There's a little... Oh, it's a bone!
Oh, yes. Life is good.
Oh. Oh, that was close. Almost got squished! Gosh, no! Oh, it seriously starts you right at the bottom again if you get squished. Ah. Stay real close to the edge. I did it! There's a bone just here. I'll take it. There's one up there as well. I'm going to be careful though, there's rolling rocks here. Oh! Almost got crushed. Oh, what's going on here? It's a dead body!
A bone.
Whoa, look at all these smells!
3 more reds for a game of doggy-doo.
There's probably loads of smells here because they're right in the way of the boulders.
1. Go.
I assume I need to use this dog for something, so I'm just going to play against him. Unlock him. He's quite fast though. He's keeping up with me. Jake has to go on the really wide route, really close to these boulders, but that dog doesn't. Whoa, we're actually like even right now. Yeah! Right, what do I do with this dog? Oh, you need to use that dog to get that guy to wake up. For some reason.
Oh, my head. Hey, dog, if I draw a map of my position, can you take it to my brother, the cable car operator?
Looking good, Jake. Nice half bowling ball hat. Here's the cable car operator.
What's that? My brother's climbing hat.
Good human. Clever human.
There's a map inside. Now I can call that rescue helicopter.
Alright, so what do I do now? Oh!
Yikes. He's huge. I need more bones before I go toe-to-toe with him.
I need 50 bones to go to the next place. I'd best start getting some bones then.
Yee-haw!
That's 51 bones.
Yippee-yi-oh-ki-yay!
Let's go to the next place. That car is just stuck there. So basically that means there's a bone in this place that you can't get because you need to jump on that car to get it. That happened last time I played this game as well. I forgot about it until now though. Can I just make it clear? It took me absolutely ages to get up to this amount of bones. I may have cut it down to look shorter, but this took me a long time. Right, let's go to the snow place. And I assume I'm going to have to run away from the dog catcher. Alright, let's just go straight to the dog catcher guy and see what's different. Oh, he just lets me go on the train. Oh look, here we are in Boom City. Oh, the time it took me to reach this point. Oh, I remember this being quite difficult. Some kind of parkour through here. Oh, I need to do something. I need to open that flap thing before I can do that. Oh, is that a... Oh yeah, there's a button to open this gate, I assume. Yeah! Now I can go up there. Oh, Jake, why did you jump off? The most difficult part of this game is making Jake do what you want him to do. My visible struggle is enough to show that.
Is this really necessary?
Right, I assume I'm going to have to drag something. Right, that's as far as it can go. Now I should be able to get across there. Look at that. Oh, it's just a dead end. Oh, you can go up there. Oh, you're meant to go into the other side. I see. So I need to drag this way.
Is this really necessary?
Oh, what? Why? Oh. Someone left a bone there for me.
Jake loves
That was quite a lot of effort for one bone. Let's have a little look around this place. What happens if you pick up a skunk? Wait, did it just... It just dropped something. What? It's spraying. I'm gonna go up these stairs. Oh. I'm in an apartment building by the looks of it.
Hello, 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 and welcome to Talking Pussy. Here's Boom City's CATS radio.
Oh, I didn't mean to get that. Come on, it's the last one. Yes! That was very, very close to not being a success. I didn't even want to do that. It just happened because I collected the blue smell by accident.
Bone-alicious.
Let's get these red smells. Oh, I have to catch him. It's a pursuit one. But why is it starting right at this dead end? It's just going to be easy, surely. He's just going to run this way, and I'm going to... immediately catch him.
Wow.
I wonder what I do with this dog.
Hero in a console game.
It's got a very long time limit. Maybe I have to do this parkour thing with this dog. Whoa! Do I go up the stairs with this dog? No. Well, I can't be bothered to go back to Jake, because the time limit's just going to run out anyway, so I'm just going to wait here until the timer runs out. I think I need to go and speak to the police officer as Jake before I do that.
Hey, Pooch. How's about you and me
Hey,
track
Pooch.
down the sleeping bell? This is the punk's bag. Sniff it so you can make out his scent.
Well, I know where he is. I remember from when I played it. I found a special footprint trail. A special footprint trail which is going to lead to this building. Oh? Where's it leading to? Okay, so he went in there and came out again. And then went this way. And then I know for a fact he's in that building over there with the locked doors. So I assume now I need to go back to the police officer and tell him.
Hey, Pooch. How's
Oh,
about you and me track
just
down
the same
sleeping
again.
bandit?
It did say bring back any clues that you find, so maybe there's something around here that I need to pick up and take to him. Okay, I think I need to go in there again. What? Why, Jake? Come on, Jake. Please. Why? Just Jake. Come on. Yes. No, Jake! Oh, I remember why this was annoying now. Jake just has a mind of his own and does what he wants, which involves him getting hurt, so I don't know why he does that. Yes. Is that a switch? I think that's a lever that you can pull. So I've got to move this. Okay, let's give it a try. Was this the right thing to do? It appears not. No, the police dog can't do it either. Let's go to the next part of Boom City. I don't know what to do about that robber.
I am starving.
Alright, Jake, I'll get you some food. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a bone. I'm pretty sure you can literally just get to the last part of the game from here. A bone.
Bone-alicious.
Right, how many bones do I need to go through there?
Hey, a stray mutt. Come here, you.
Oh, I have to run away. No, he's actually catching up to me. Oh, I got him. I got him stuck. So I assume you're not meant to go there yet.
Ow! That hurt my nose. These little guys are tougher than they look. Maybe the local dog can help.
Oh, that's the local dog. It's got 60 bones. I'm almost there. There's a bone over here. The cars! I'm gonna do this dog's mini game.
Go.
Oh, he's still not good enough for me. He tried something there though.
It's not life as...
I'm not going to do this yet. I'm going to actually talk to the person who's lost the cats before I do that. Because I need to know where to bring them. I think it's this place over here.
Hey, my kittens have run away. Can you pick them up and put them back inside my apartment? I'm too slow to catch them.
Yep, I can do that. Well, I can't do that, but I can get some other random dog to do it for you. Just threw it into the apartment. Right, you next. Just endanger everyone on the road. No, don't try and get out. How many kittens are there? Crazy cat lady. Oh, they're escaping. No. Back in there. Where's the... There's one. Stop. I assume there's one more, because there can't be more than 5. That's ridiculous. Oh, I see it. Please be the last one.
Help! The kittens are running away again.
Oh, oh, are you going to do it yourself then? Stupid old lady is not even... Well, that was a complete waste of time. Are the kittens still there? Yeah, the kittens are all still in this one place. Oh my god. Oh, you little bastard. This dog... The dog isn't collecting them. The dog is just looking at them and taking about 5 seconds to get them in its mouth. Oh, I did it. That was so difficult.
Now I can feed.
Wow, thanks for 1 bone for doing that. The hardest thing I've done yet.
Great.
Alright, I think that's enough for today. I'm right near the end of the game, but I think I need to get loads more bones to actually progress to the end. So I'm going to save that for another video. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.